Yo, I'm just gonna make this short video to say that the Twixtor is blocked again. But yeah, I'm gonna link it down below. Go check it out. Enjoy the clips. Ayy.